Hi, I would like to demonstrate a bulk QR code generated add-on, how it works and the functionalities it having. First of all, you can have a data in your sheet for which you need to generate a QR code. And you can click on extensions and then select a bulk QR code generator add-on and click on open QR code generator. When you click on this, on the first one, it will ask for authorization because it needs to access your data. So you need to select your Google account. Here I'm selecting mine. Right now this app is not verified, hence you are seeing this screen. So I'm clicking on advanced and go to bulk QR code generator. Now this app asks for these permissions. So first is Google Drive, because whatever QR codes it generates, it stores it into your Google Drive folder. Then second, and it reads from it and displays in the Google Sheet. Second is Google Sheets. It needs see, edit, create, access, because it reads data from your Google Sheet to generate the QR codes. And once QR code is generated, it stores it back again into the Google Sheet. Third is connecting to external service. It connects to external API to generate the QR code. Hence, this scope is needed, and it shows a sidebar, etc. Hence, this last scope is needed. I'm selecting all and clicking continue. Okay, now app is authorized, and you can see the sidebar here. Now in settings, you can select what QR code size you would like to have. Suppose if I select a small, or let's say medium, then it will generate an image of medium size. Then by default it's generates a black color QR code. But if you want to create white, we have that option also. So it has a white background and black QR code on that. Here, this is a Google Drive folder. So by default, it creates a folder called QR codes, but you have option to change it. So in my drive, it will create a QR codes folder, and then it will store all the images into that folder, so that all QR images are handy, are in single place. Okay, so this is how it uses Google Drive APIs. Now, if we go back here to generate QR code, we can select different QR types here. So you have website URLs, you have email addresses, you have phone numbers, SMSs, you can generate contact cards, Wi-Fi credentials, WhatsApp links, geographic locations, and plain text. So in this case, we are generating it for geographic locations. Here you in the second field, you need to select a data range. So here I'm selecting this as the data range because it should start from row number 2, and I'll click on select so that it takes the active data range. Now it has selected A2 to D7. Now where is the latitude? Latitude is in column B, longitude is in column C, and location name is in column A. All right, and then we can select where do I want to have the generated QR code. So either I can select any like a column from here, or I can just select next empty column, so that whatever is the next empty column, it will put output into that field. Okay, so this is how you select the data range. You map the columns, and you can start generating the QR codes. Now I'm clicking on generate QR codes. So it starts generating QR codes, store it into the Google Drive, and paste those images here in the sheet so that it is easy for you to refer to those images. And even beauty of this tool is uh, when you click on this QR code here, it actually takes you to Google Drive URL where it is stored. So this is the Google Drive URL of that QR code. Second, if I go back to my Google Drive, so let me go to drive.google.com and my drive. So here you would see a folder called QR codes. See, this is the folder. Okay, it has already created, it is automatically created by script. And here, if we sort it by date modified, see, my timestamp is 9:35 a.m. here, and QR codes which we recently generated, they are stored here in the Google Drive folder. So this is how Google Drive scope is used, and all the QR codes will be stored in given folder. And you can change the Google Drive folder name from here, and it will use that particular folder in the My Drive. Yeah, so this is it. So this explains how QR codes are stored into Google Drive. And I had a feature of printing these QR codes on Google Docs, but I have removed that feature for now. So it is only generated, stored in the Google Drive, and displayed in the Google Sheet. Thank you.